Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful crochet belt pattern here. You can use this pattern for any of your project like belt or bag strap or anything else. So let's start. First of all, we will make chain 4. Then I'm going to pass the yarn from the chain 1 6 times like this. I'm going to pass the yarn from chain 1 6 times. Then after doing this, I have to pass the yarn from 2 loops one by one, as you can see, to create a leafy pattern here. And at the end there will be 2 loops on the hook. Now take off the hook and insert the hook from the other side. Then again half completed double crochets or 6 rounds from chain 1. I simply say it that we have to pass the yarn from first chain 6 times and then pass it from 2 loops one by one to create a leafy pattern here. At the end you can see there will be a beautiful crochet leaf pattern. Now there are 3 loops on the hook. Pass over the yarn from then chain 1 again to end up the leaves. Now chain 3 and we will repeat the same procedure in the chain 1 here to create a leaf again. This is very simple and easy procedure to make a belt or any of your bag strip, anything you want to make it with this pattern. Pass the yarn 6 times from the first chain. Then we have to pass the yarn from 2 loops one by one. Then after at the end when we have 2 loops, take off the hook and insert it from the other side and we'll turn the side. We have to repeat the same procedure from the other side. In the first chain we have to pass the yarn from first chain, then we have to repeat the same procedure as we done before. So here is the final look of our belt here. As you can see, this is so beautiful and so cute here. And if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe, like and share my videos. Please share it with your friends and family who want to learn the basic stitches of crochet. And there are so many videos on my channel for the beginners as well. And for more videos, stay tuned and stay connected. Thank you so much.